Welcome to the dinosaur world! Let's meet them! What is this? It's a T-Rex! It has big teeth! What is this? It's a Triceratops! It has 3 horns! What is this? It's a Stegosaurus! It has plates on its back! What is this? It's a Velociraptor! It runs very fast! What is this? It's a Brachiosaurus! It has a long neck! What is this? It's an Ankylosaurus! It has armor and a club tail! What is this? It's a Spinosaurus! It has a big sail! What is this? It's a pterodactyl! It can fly! What is this? It's a Dilophosaurus! It has 2 crests!
What is this? It's an iguanodon!
It has a thumb spike! What is this? It's a Parasaurolophus! It has a long head crest! What is this? It's an Alurus! It is a strong hunter! What is this? It's a Carnotaurus! It has small horns! What is this? It's a Therizinosaurus! It has long claws! What is this? It's an Oviraptor! It protects eggs! What is this? It's a Compsognathus! It is very small! What is this? It's a Gallimimus! It runs very fast! What is this? It's a Styracosaurus! It has many spikes! What is this? It's an Apatosaurus! It has a long tail! What is this? It has sharp claws! T-Rex! Triceratops! Stegosaurus! Velociraptor! Brachiosaurus! Ankylosaurus! Spinosaurus! Pterodactyl! Iguanodon! Look! A friendly dinosaur! It has small horns and big eyes! Great job! Let's learn more dinosaurs!